my name is Amy from Epoddle and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the two different sides to generate income with ColorStreet. So the first way to generate income with ColorStreet is to sell the product, of course. So the minimum that we always want to sell is $300 a month. This is called bonus qualified in the business, and that just shows that you are going to earn incentives as far as any of the prizes that they give you and stuff, kind of that minimum number. They had to set a minimum where they thought that it would show the company that you are actively selling, and $300 a month is that minimum that they decided. That could be 10, 15 orders depending on how much you sell, but you are going to earn 25 to 35% on your retail sales in commissions. So if you sell 300, you're gonna get that 25%. That is gonna be about $75. That's great. That is groceries, that is going out to dinner, maybe that's fun money, maybe that's your child's dance class per month. So that is amazing. If you were selling in the upwards of 2,400 or even over 1,000, that is gonna increase, that percentage is gonna increase over time depending on where you land at the end of the month. Again, that is from 25% to 35%. If you want the specific numbers, you can go ahead and email me at amy@epoddle and I would be happy to share those percentages and the level increase with you personally. Along with that commission percentage, on the sales side, you'll also earn jumpstart bonuses, different types of incentives depending on how fast you do things in the first 90 days. This is a great way to get started and get you kind of really hyped and get you moving those first few months, and that will keep you rolling throughout your time with ColorStreet. Also on the sales side, you're gonna earn tons of hostess benefits, free nail strips that you can either sell or use as marketing tools. There are tons of ways to build a business just selling the product. Now, if you want to go a little bit further and you feel like you can help other people in this business as well, you might want to start to grow a team. So I would only ever suggest this if this is something that you feel that you would really be able to give the time and energy to a team. You want to help change somebody else's life, help lead her through the business, help to figure out what she needs. And it's not about you, it is about the other people. Now, because you've decided you're gonna help your team, ColorStreet will pay you an override bonus. It's between 3 and 6% depending on where they land, where they, it just depends. But I am happy to share that information with you, kind of that team structure. It really is one that if you are personally talking to somebody about it, it makes a whole lot more sense. So I'm happy to talk to you personally about it. I personally found that I really enjoy the team side of it. I really love the product and I really love selling it, and I really love the connections I make with my customers and hostesses and all that. And I get a different type of filling my cup from helping other people and seeing them succeed and seeing them get what they want out of this business. ColorStreet can be both the business where some people want to just sell it and they really like the idea of wearing it and talking with hostesses and connecting with their customers and going above and beyond, doing extras for their customers, and that commission is fabulous. And then there's the other side of it with the team side of it too. Now, of course, I wanted to add that the team side of it also requires you to sell it. Like, there is no way that you are going to have a team and only make money off your team if you're not selling it and actively being a really good model and also bonus qualifying. I hope that helps you better understand the two different sides of the ColorStreet business. If you have any more questions about it, please feel free to reach out, amy@epoddle.com. I'm happy to go through the retail commissions and the bonus structure more in depth with you personally. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was super helpful for you. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.